The newly designed European-style WV and WP series horizontal pivot type metal cutting bandsaws deliver a range of great productivity features, such as dual direction miter cutting, feed rate control and powerful precision cutting, and are especially suitable for cutting H-beam as well as pipe and bar cutting. The pivot type WV450 DSA gives you dual direction miter cutting for maximum versatility, with 45 degrees left and 60 degrees right miter cutting, and very easy operator setup. With the machine's rigid structure, it is suitable for a range of materials, including pipe, H-beam and solid bar, whilst providing the cutting speed and precision you need in your workshop. On the WV series you have a quick action rack vise combined with hydraulic cylinder that allows for simple, fast vise positioning for clamping and cutting. The operator simply lifts up the vise pawl and slides the vise into the desired position, puts the pawl down on the rack and is then ready for cutting. The hydraulic vise provides the clamping security you need for large workpieces, and this machine can cut rectangular bar up to 450 by 180 millimeters with ease. The simple-to-use symbol-based control panel on this model provides blade speed control through the inverter for various types of material cutting, with a clear digital readout for the operator. It also has a saw head feed rate adjustment for precise cutting control and a blade tension indicator for easy blade tension setting, and a limiter switch to detect broken blades. The WP350 semi-automatic bandsaw provides a wealth of features in a compact, economical package. This machine delivers dual miter cutting for workshop flexibility with easy operator adjustment of the saw head for efficient cutting cycles. The vise on the WP350 allows for manual positioning for miter cutting and different material sizes, while still delivering the hydraulic clamping security you need. This machine can clamp rectangular bar up to 350 by 220 millimeters, which gives you a wide range of cutting options. The control panel on the WP uses simple symbol controls and provides a 2-speed selection for blade speed for different material types. It also features a blade tension indicator for easy blade tension setting and limiter switch on the machine to detect broken blade situations, as well as separate feed rate control on the main body of the machine next to the emergency power switch.